Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best denim patches is probably one of the most versatile and stylish ways to give your favorite jeans a new lease on life, whether you're looking to cover up a tear, add a unique design element, or simply express your personal style. These aren't just simple fabric squares, they're a statement piece that can transform a basic pair of jeans into a custom work of art, offering an affordable and creative solution for fashion enthusiasts and DIY lovers alike. With a wide array of colors, patterns, and materials available, finding the perfect patch to match your aesthetic has never been easier, making it an exciting project for anyone wanting to stand out from the crowd. Number 5. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches Kit. Introducing a premium denim repair kit, designed for both inside and outside application. This kit offers the strongest glue for a lasting fix. Crafted from 100% cotton on the front, these patches ensure a natural feel and look. They are made in the EU with high-quality materials for superior performance. Applying these patches is incredibly simple. Just use a standard iron for about 60 seconds, and your garment is repaired or decorated. No sewing or extra glue needed. These patches can be applied to the outside for visible repairs or to the inside for a subtle fix. They can be cut to any size or shape to perfectly match your needs. Once applied, they are fully machine washable and can even be tumble dried. If a patch starts to lift, simply re-iron it for a secure hold, up to 3 times. Economically repair common wear and tear areas like knees and elbows, or prevent future damage. These versatile patches can extend the life of a wide variety of clothing and fabric items. What we like? This option boasts the strongest glue for a durable repair. It offers versatility by allowing application on both the inside and outside of your garment. If you're looking for a long-lasting fix that can withstand frequent washing and drying, this is the choice for you. What people say. These patches are a great way to mend or decorate jeans and other fabric items. They are easy to apply with an iron, making repairs quick and simple. The denim material is durable and holds up well to washing and wear. Number 4. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Jean Patches. Introducing our premium denim iron-on patches, designed for ultimate durability. They are perfect for repairing or decorating your favorite items. Featuring the strongest glue, these patches ensure a long-lasting hold. Simply iron them on for a secure and permanent application. Crafted from 100% high-quality cotton, they offer a soft yet sturdy feel. Enjoy the natural comfort and resilience they provide. This assorted pack includes various shades of blue and black. Easily match them to different fabrics and styles for a seamless look. Perfect for repairing worn-out jeans, decorating jackets, or adding a personal touch to blankets and bags. They are ideal for a wide range of fabric items. This 10-piece kit provides everything you need for quick and easy repairs. Revitalize your belongings with these convenient patches. What we like? With assorted shades of blue, this choice ensures a perfect color match for your denim. It also features the strongest glue for a secure bond and can be applied from the inside or outside. If you prioritize a seamless color blend and a robust, versatile repair, consider this option. What people say. Still adhering with no lift on the edges and preventing the wear that would definitely have meant replacement of the bibs. These ZEFFFKA premium quality denim iron-on jean patches come in several shades from black to light blue, making them ideal for patching all of my work pants. They're also large enough for those larger tears when a nail on a framing stud jumps out and grabs your pant leg. Iron them on no problem. Easy to cut into the perfect shape if need be and iron on in 20 seconds. Number 3. King Mountain Iron-On Repair Patch 5-Color Pack. Don't let holes and rips ruin your favorite jeans or denim jacket. This kit offers the perfect solution to rescue and refresh your beloved denim items. Go beyond simple repairs and express your creativity. These patches allow you to add fresh, unique designs to your worn denim, giving them a new lease on life. Each patch measures 3 by 4 to 1/4 inches, ideal for covering various holes. Choose from 5 different colors to perfectly match or creatively contrast with your denim fabric. Our patches feature an excellent hot melt adhesive that ensures strong adhesion, even after multiple washes. For extra security, free sewing kits are also included. Repairing or decorating your clothes is a breeze. Simply stick the patch in place and iron at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 minute for a quick and easy fix. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll provide a full exchange or refund. What we like. This product comes in 5 colors, offering flexibility in matching or creatively accenting your denim. It features strong adhesion and even includes a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you want a reliable repair with color options and a guarantee, this is a great pick. What people say. A variety of shades of blue. Worked well for my favorite jeans. The pockets had worn on the seat, so I got this patch. Matched the blue, ironed on, and viola, my jeans do show my boxers anymore. These patches are a practical and affordable way to extend the life of jeans and other clothes. The iron-on backing makes them quick to apply, and they stick well once heated properly. The pack comes with plenty of pieces, so there's enough for multiple repairs or projects. Very sticky if installed right. I used a long piece of it to patch the collar of my denim work jacket. It's a bit stiff to start off with, but softens up over time. It has perfectly stayed on for 2 rounds in the washer and 2 years of wear. Number 2. Azobur Iron-On Patches for Clothing Repair. Introducing Azobur Iron-On Patches, the perfect solution for clothing repair and customization. These versatile patches can breathe new life into your favorite garments. Crafted from 100% cotton, these patches are designed for exceptional durability. They feature enhanced adhesion, ensuring they stay put even after multiple washes and dries. Repairing clothes has never been easier. Simply iron on these patches in the desired location for a quick and effective fix. You can even apply them from the inside to conceal repair marks. With 8 different shades, you can perfectly match your outfit or give your old jeans a fresh, new look. They are suitable for all fabric types, not just denim. Our patches boast 30% more glue than standard options, providing a powerful and reliable bond. You can trust that they won't come off in the wash. Made from high-quality, soft, and comfortable cotton, these patches meet EU standards for abrasion resistance. Enjoy a premium repair solution. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions or are not satisfied with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. Featuring 30% more glue than others, this option guarantees powerful adhesion that lasts through washes. It also comes in 8 colors for excellent matching and decorative possibilities. If you need an extra strong, long-lasting repair with plenty of color choices, this is the one to get. What people say. Start with your iron on the lowest heat setting. Cut your patch to cover whatever hole you want to repair. Use on ironing board or use a towel on a hard surface. Turn your item inside out so you don't have patches showing. The pattern side is facing iron, the flat side is the adhesion side that should cover the fabric. Slowly iron on the lowest heat, keep increasing heat slowly until adhesion takes. Hit the fabric with cool air setting on blow dryer to set it. Remove the plastic backing sheet, put a piece of fabric or towel underneath the hole, and use high heat, not low, no steam. They stick just fine. Easy to use and can cut to size if needed. Thick material and various shades. Number 1. Dritz Denim Iron-On Patching Cloth, Faded Blue. Easily mend tears, worn spots, or holes in your favorite garments. This patching cloth provides a quick and effective solution for fabric repairs. Forget the needle and thread. Application is as simple as ironing it on. Get a secure and seamless repair in minutes. Give your new clothes extra durability. Applying this to new garments helps prevent premature wear and tear, extending their lifespan. Need to match a specific worn area? You can easily cut it into any shape you need. It's also great for adding decorative touches. Once applied, it's built to last. It's machine washable and can even be dry cleaned, maintaining its integrity through regular care. Made from 100% cotton denim, it perfectly matches your existing jeans and denim items. Enjoy a natural feel and look. This piece measures 9 by 12 inches and comes in a versatile faded blue color. It's large enough for various repair and decorative needs. What we like. This large-sized patch is perfect for covering significant tears or worn areas with ease. Its simple iron-on application means no sewing is required, making repairs quick and effortless. If you have larger damage or prefer a no-fuss repair solution that's also machine washable, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I was able to get this to adhere to the canvas, and I did a double layer to protect from the metal piece pushing through again. Easy to cut, shape, and iron in place. Super light and sticks super well. I have renewed my pants that were already going to the trash with this new pants patch for many more years. Patches are easy to use, apply in minutes, last for ages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.